Kids, today let us learn about the people in our lives. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the people who help us in our daily life. So, we are going to learn about teachers, doctors, police, and postal worker. So, children, it is not possible to do all the work by ourselves. So, we have to depend on others. So, there are some work which we have to depend on others. So, without them, it is not possible to do that work. So, from morning to evening, so one or the other person will help us in our life. So let us learn about such people who will help us in our life. So there are some people who play an important role in our lives. So without the help of these people, life would be really difficult. So in everyday's life, so there are some people who will play an important role in our lives. So without the help of these people, it is very difficult for us to live. So it is very difficult to lead our life without these people. So first let us learn about our teacher. So teachers plays an important role in our life. So, after our parents, it is our teachers who are very important to us. So, after our parents, it is our teacher who plays an important role in our life. So, they teach us how to read and write, to paint, to sing and dance. So, it is a teacher who will help us to read and who will help us to write, and teacher will teach us in every field. So teachers will teach us good habits, manners and values. So teachers will teach us to be good and to follow the good habits. And teachers will teach us good values in our life. So teachers take us on trips, picnics and nature walks where we learn through fun. So not only she will make us to read, but teachers will take us on trip and picnics and nature walks, and there we all can play and have fun. So, to show our love and respect for our teachers, we celebrate Teachers' Day. So, when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Yes, so we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September to show our love and respect for our teacher. So, all should respect your teacher. So, children, if you are not well, where do you go? Yes, we go to a doctor, right? Yes. So, doctor also plays an important role in our life. So, we go to a doctor when we are ill. So, when we have fever or any other illness. So, we go to a doctor when we are not well. So, when we are having any illness, so our doctor will prescribe medicines and tell us what to eat and how long to take rest. So, doctor, when you go to our hospital, the doctor will prescribe what medicine you have to take and what food to eat, and doctor will say how long to take a rest. Even we also go to a doctor for vaccination against some diseases like polio, typhoid, and cholera. So, not only when you are not well, we are going to hospital, but we also go to a doctor to take a vaccination, to take injections, so to protect from the diseases like polio, typhoid, and cholera. So, when we are very ill, our doctor advises to go to a hospital. A doctor and nurse working there look after us. So every city has one or more hospitals. So many villages have dispensaries or clinics to treat the sick. So when we are very ill, the doctor will say us to admit in the hospital. So there doctor and nurse will take care of us. And so every cities will have one or more than one hospitals. So even in villages, we have the dispensaries or clinics. So dispensaries and clinics where the doctor will treat the sick. In villages, dispensaries or clinics. So dispensary means the room where sick people are treated. Dispensary means a room where sick person are treated. And so in villages, if the hospital is not there, they will have the clinics or dispensaries to treat the sick. So, where there is no dispensaries, the government send mobile dispensaries. So, mobile dispensary means it is not a mobile. So, mobile dispensary means it is a van with the doctor, nurse, and some medicines. So mobile dispensaries means what? It is a van with a doctor, nurse, and some medicines like a ambulance. So, mobile dispensaries is used in the villages where there is no clinics. So if there is no clinics, the government will send the mobile dispensaries. Mobile dispensary means it is a van with doctors and nurse and some medicines. So van will go from village to village to treat the sick. So in the picture you can see it is a mobile dispensary in Chennai. So mobile dispensary means van with a doctor and nurse and some medicines. So this van will go from village to village to treat the sick. So an animal doctor is called a veterinary doctor or a vet. In short, we call it as vet. So this doctor treats sick and injured animals. So animals are treated by the veterinary doctor. So in short, we call it as vet. So this doctor will treat the sick and injured animals.